friend of me is Poco F4, and today I would like to show you how we can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings and tap on passwords and security. Then click on face unlock section, enter your current login method and tap on start. Now wait 5 seconds and choose next in this attention pop-up. After that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can name your face data however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on done. Over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you want to, click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Poco. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!